stop walking by this plant and not being amazed, and I'm going to tell you why. Does that look familiar? That's actually the Oriental Arborvitae, which is planted as a landscape plant across much of the southern United States. You may walk by one every single day. And those fleshy little blue-green pods contain a seed that is an herbal unsung hero. Hi, I'm Dave with Herbalogic, and I'm doing a series of herbal unsung heroes. They're the herbs that you may never have heard of. You may walk by them every day and not know about them, but you should know about them. Now, TCM calls this Bai Zi Ren. You may see it sometimes as biota, which is from the Greek bios, for life, and it grows on the Arborvitae, which is Latin for tree of life. I think this seed has a good marketing department. In TCM, we talk about Bai Zi Ren as anchoring the Shen and nourishing the heart, and that is TCM speak for it is calming. Sometimes we combine it with the seed of the spiny date, Swanzao Ren, which works together with that for extra calming. And a lot of times you'll see those two together in formulas for sleep or overthinking or worry. Now, on the Western side of things, what we tend to see in some animal models is that this particular seed contains some saponins and some essential oils that have the ability to upregulate our body's ability to synthesize gamma-aminobutyric acid. That is our body's main inhibitory neurotransmitter, and it's the thing that kind of turns down an overactive nervous system. What we also see in animal models is it tends to upregulate serotonin receptors, so you have this calming and you have this mood stabilization effect. So broadly speaking, the sort of traditional understanding of how this works and the scientific understanding of how this works, they broadly line up, which is kind of cool. Now, Herbalogic uses this in something called Stand Down, which is a product that is only available by a practitioner recommendation. We developed it with a veterans organization for people who have PTSD. And it's only available with a practitioner recommendation because it's kind of strong, and part of why it's strong is Bai Zi Ren. So I'm Dave with Herbalogic. Check us out on the TikTok shop, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.